Hello there, future scientists. Welcome to another grade 12 advanced functions tutorial, where in this tutorial I'm going to go over the difference between odd and even functions and show you how you can easily determine which is which. Let's get started. So over here we have an example of an even function. Now why is it an even function? It's even because we say it has symmetry about the y-axis. So what I mean by that is if this is our function and I were to flip it about the y-axis, it doesn't change. So it has symmetry about the y-axis. Another way we can look at it is that if we plug in a negative x into the function, we get back the original function. All right, well, what's an odd function? An odd function has rotational symmetry. So if I were to have this function here and I were to rotate it, you can see we get back the same function. That's rotational symmetry. So that's an odd function. Mathematically, if we were to input negative x into the function, we would get the negative of our original function. So let's see how this works with a few examples. So with this first one, if I were to put in negative x, right, we substitute it in here, so we have negative x. Make sure when you substitute, you use brackets because you don't want the negative on the outside. You have to square it. Minus 4. Negative x squared. The negative becomes positive when you square it, and we're just left with x minus 4. This gives us back our original function, f of x. Since it gives us back our original function, it's an even function. Let's try the next one. If we were to look at what f of negative x is, well, 2 times, use brackets, so negative x cubed plus, let's just use brackets again, negative x. Okay, a negative cubed gives us a negative, so we have negative 2x cubed, and this is positive and negative give us a negative. Because it looks essentially what this function would be if I multiplied every term by a negative, this is equal to negative our original function. And therefore, it's an odd function. If we look at the last example, and I substitute in negative x and another negative x, well here, the negative square goes away, it becomes positive, so we got 2x squared, and then double negative becomes plus x. Notice, this isn't the negative. This term is the negative, but the first term is not. It's not the original function, and it's not the negative function. So this function is neither odd nor even. I hope that tutorial helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. And if you want to download some of my course packs for high school STEM courses for free, they're available in the description. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.